Okay, this is my Lovejoy 4-inch face mill. It uses round inserts. If you're cutting flat across the bottom, it'll cut to 3-inch circle. And if you push it straight down, it will cut a 4-inch circle, or a 4-inch wall, however you want to look at it. By moving it up and down, you can do a flat plane. I mostly use it in the vertical position for flat surface milling. We got 3 screws here. The very top one holds the tool holder itself into the center body of the fixture. The bottom one here holds the tool, the cutting disc, into the machine. This screw right here is a micro adjustment so you can level all them out. So what I did was I brought my knee on my mill up so that I went around them and got the one that stuck down the furthest, because down's a lot easier than going up, because, you know, that's just how it is. They're not all exactly the same size. So I have it set on the top of my vise, and an 18mm will push through with very slight resistance, or 18 thousandths, excuse me, and a 19 thousandths will not pass through. So that puts me almost exactly at 18 thousandths. And then, after I have that one set, on to the next one. And we just go around until we get them all between 18 and 19 thousandths, and she'll be properly tuned. It's a damn nice piece. One of the best tools I ever bought. This thing does just incredibly good surface finish, even out of tune. It's been out of tune for a long time. I didn't even really realize it, that it's had a couple high and lows. It's got a total of 4 to 5 thousandths deviation in heights right now before I start on it. But when I'm done, it'll be flat. But it was kind of making like a clicking when it was cutting. You know, it sounded like a one-tooth cutter or a interrupted cut. But the finish was still phenomenal. Just absolutely beautiful. So I'll tune this up and make a finished video of it. And I'll show you the work that this thing does. It's pretty impressive. Thanks. Well, there's the pattern it puts out, and it's nice. I could speed the machine up and be less of a swirl there, but I run all my machines on slow all the time. So